This unit can save as much as 35% fuel output.
35% as much. Oh my goodness, that is an awful lot. Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here with Lynch Plant Hire for something really, really small, but very big news for the industry. It's about hydrogen with the ultimate cell inside with Lynch, Head of Innovation, James now. And this tells me why we're here with a small, but very important box, isn't it? Tell me about it.
So we've had a relationship with Ultimate Cell for 18 months. We've done a lot of testing with them at our training facility and with live demonstrations on site. We've tested on across 30 different machines now.
Right.
And we've invested in 85 units that we will now be deploying across our fleet. And like you referred to, for something so small, the impact and potential to our industry is massive. So yeah, we've seen some really strong results, which is why we've decided to invest further with Ultimate Cell.
So it's interesting for me why now we're seeing the hydrogen become so important when it comes to the critical elements of carbon and of fuel savings.
Yeah, so reducing carbon and fuel output are paramount to our industry at the moment. We must all be doing more where we can. And we believe that with Ultimate Cell, we found a solution for now, whilst the industry transforms to alternative fuels for the future, such as full hydrogen machines and fully electric machines.
So I know you've got electric machines already, and the great thing now is you're in the hydrogen team, as it were, with Ultimate Cell. Now, the elements that you really tested is about, does it work?
Yes, yeah, so, yeah. Most importantly, it does. So, as I said, we've done installs across a range of fleet, as you rightly alluded to. So we've done ADTs,
Yep.
excavators of mid and heavy. We've put this onto tractors, rollers, and dozers. We've seen positive impact across every install. So it's worked in 100% of the cases in reducing the carbon and fuel output of each machine.
And so it's also cleaner as well, and we'll find out more about that later on from Gary. But the other thing that we've sort of mentioned is actually you've increased the torque on some of your machines just by using this.
Yeah, so it's a fuel catalyst, and the way in which it works and provides the power, it essentially gives you a little bit more to do less. So obviously you need less fuel to do the same function, and that increase in the way that the hydrogen's produced, that increase comes from that initial burn.
Right.
So, you know, on an ADT and on a dozer especially, we have seen slight increases in the torque. So meaning, you know, you can use less power to push the same volume with a dozer.
Wow, and who'd have thought that? Normally we go for power modes, eco modes, auto modes, but now we can go for hydrogen mode as well. We've got this, and it'll be interesting to see in the future how that actually can be measured against a standard and an Ultimate Cell version as well, wouldn't it?
Yeah, so a part of our testing over the last 18 months in partnership with Ultimate Cell, and the reason for doing an install across such a varied range of equipment is so that we can start to build a catalogue and understand what the potential savings are for each machine type.
Yeah.
So, you know, we've got the full confidence when we sit down with our clients, showing them telemetry data from, you know, before the install took place,
Yep.
when the install took place, and then obviously the time proceeding after that, and can really show tangible evidence that this unit can save as much as 35% fuel output.
35% as much. Oh my goodness, that is an awful lot. The telemetry system, APIs, all are very important. Now we can measure the performance, but how does it work, guys? I'm sorry, James, you're going to have to go and find that out from Gary, the MD of Ultimate Cell. So it's about time I took my cell to the man that knows how.